Charles Rudy and the closest connection to. I know you guys are like all gang and family and stuff. Don't think about the people that are gonna be mad. Just answer the question. Bullshit.
Because she's the one who wants to with me since day one. So
Oh, since like day one.
I definitely didn't expect that. I thought she was gonna say LSG, Lesejo, you know, but I guess I was wrong.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, a lot of people are asking us, so let's get it out of the way. Why didn't you go to America?
Yes, like we really wanna know, why didn't you go to USA? Because I won't lie, I kind of feel bad for you, for her, for you, whatever.
why?
Why, bro? Why? Why? Why?
Why?
Yeah,
That's why.
Why?
Guys, I think
Okay.
Beekay was in the same group that I was in, and I was also supposed to go, but okay, answer the question. Is there like another answer that I don't know?
No.
That's just the answer.
Yeah.
Guys, basically,
Are they
it's a
dating?
problem.
Me, I feel like they're dating. It's just that they don't want to put their business out there. And whoever knows within the CPC stars, they told them that please do not spill our tea, do not spill the tea.
Yeah, and also when I asked, they said because of we submitted our passport needs.
But I know there'll be another trip in like December, I think. To November, December. There'll be a second half, and we are both gonna be there. Best believe, twin. Right?
Oh, okay. Babyface is your role model. Wow. Okay, that's cool.
It's been a teaching this all. Answer the questions correct.
Hey, I'm not assuming. I don't know.
She doesn't know.
I don't know.
What grade are you in? It's alright, it's alright, it's alright.
It's not that.
Excuse me. Peanut's brother. All along you've been friend
It's
zoned.
bad.
But on that video with your brother, you were acting like BK is your girl. You even got out of the car and asked Peanut to take you home. You were acting. Taliz. Ah.
So like, start being a dancer and like dancing.
Babyface. Yeah.
Really? Crazy.
Yeah.
So she's like an inspiration to you, in a way.
Yeah.
Hey man, this Q&A is boring. Spice it up a little bit. Like, spice it
Yeah,
up.
she got bad.
It's too formal.
Sorry.
Oh, her TikTok account recently got banned. Ask his baby face. What happened between you and David? Nothing happened between you and David. But we also saw that Peanuts in that video, so that's why.
Like,